Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what Windows reports. Open Task Manager, right arrow Performance, right arrow GPU, and note dedicated versus shared memory. Once done, update Windows and your graphics driver so options appear correctly, and write down motherboard and CPU model numbers for reference. Next, restart into UEFI or BIOS. You're looking for Video, Graphics, or DVMT, Dynamic Video Memory Technology. Settings. Make sure you have a USB with BIOS, defaults handy, and save any files. This prepares you for making firmware-level changes safely. In UEFI, navigate to Advanced Right Arrow Chipset or Integrated Peripherals, then find DVMT Pre-Allocated or UMA Frame Buffer Size, and change it to a higher value like 64, 128, or 256 MB depending on options. Save and exit the firmware. Windows will restart and dynamically adjust the shared pool. Once back in Windows, open Task Manager, right arrow Performance, right arrow GPU to confirm the new shared memory numbers. If your firmware lacks that option, don't force a registry tweak. Move to the next slide. To finish, if BIOS didn't offer allocation controls, the practical path is more RAM or a discrete GPU. Shared memory scales with system RAM and driver behavior, so that's the effective workaround. Make sure BIOS and GPU drivers are fully updated if numbers didn't change. If the system becomes unstable after firmware edits, reset BIOS to defaults, then reapply minimal safe changes and test. Troubleshooting tip. If display or boot problems appear, restore BIOS defaults and boot into safe mode to roll back driver or firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.